Upon a time in a beautiful sunny meadow, there lived a little bee named Timmy. Timmy was different from all other bees. While most bees loved buzzing around collecting nectar, Timmy had a big dream. He wanted to explore world beyond the meadow and discover new flowers. One day, as the sun rose high in the sky, Timmy gathered his courage and said, "Today I'm going to fly further than ever before." His friends buzzed with excitement, but also a bit worried. "Be careful, Timmy," they buzzed. "The world outside can be a big and scary." Wild and fluttering his tiny wings, "I'm ready for the adventure," he said as he flew higher and higher. He saw fields of colorful flowers and he never seen before: roses, tulips, daisies, and even some magical rainbow colored blossoms. Along the way, he met a new friend like a ladybug and a butterfly. They told him about even more amazing places to visit and flowers to find. Timmy felt bravery than ever before. He was very happy with his adventure and journey beyond the meadows. When the sun started setting, Timmy knew it was time to return home. He flew back to the meadow with a heart full of stories. His friends cheered, "Timmy, you are a hero." From that day on, Timmy became the bravest little bee in the meadow. He shared all the wonderful flowers he had found, and every loved his adventures spirit. And Timmy learned that sometimes the biggest adventures being started with a little bit of courage. Dear kids, I hope you enjoyed the story. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe the Real Heather Cartoon for Kids. I will meet you in the next exciting story video. Until goodbye.